Hi guys, I'm Team Demigod Ayela. Today, I'd like us to talk about ignorance. Well, you see, there is no one in the universe that has not felt the sting of pain. There is no being in the world who has not been buffeted by the hot wind of sorrow. There is no eye in the world that has not wept the tears of unspeakable anguish. And there's no household around the world where disease and death have not entered, bringing about unhappiness, separation, and annoyance. Unrest, pain, poverty, disease, sorrow, and death are all the shadows of life. Every human being, by virtue of their ignorance, is surrounded by this. They are ignorant of the supreme justice that regulates their lives. And this ignorance is therefore the chain that binds every one of us from death. And in seeking escape, many have employed innumerable devices, and in the end, still found themselves bound by the chain. Every condition of life is bound up in an orderly and harmonious sequence. And the secret and the cause of every situation and the secret to get out of it is contained within itself. There is just no unpleasant situation of life which is not as a result of ignorance or happiness of whatever kind which exists apart from the cultivation of wisdom. We must therefore do everything to get out of ignorance, because if we don't, we remain subject to the chain of bondage, and there's no measure of prayer that can avail to unbind us. A long time ago, a merchant kept a bird in a cage. He was going to India, the land from which the bird came. The merchant asked the bird whether he could bring anything back for it, and the bird requested for its freedom, but was refused. The bird now asked the merchant to visit a jungle in India and announce its captivity to the free birds that were there. And the merchant, on getting to India, did so. And no sooner had he spoken when a white bird, just like his own, fell senseless out of a tree onto the ground. The merchant thought that this must be a relative of his own bird, and felt sad that he should have caused this death. When he got home, the bird asked him whether he had brought good news from India. No, said the merchant. I fear that my news is bad, because one of your relations fell and collapsed at my feet when I mentioned your captivity. And as soon as these words were spoken, the merchant's bird fell to the bottom of the cage and collapsed. Oh, the news of his kinsman's death had killed him too, thought the merchant. And sorrowfully, he picked up the bird and put it on the window sill, and at once the bird flew away free at last. You see, it makes no sense to spend hours in prayers in hope of removing a chain that binds you. You must find out why it is there. And it is of no avail to fret and complain, and even chafe at the chains that bind you. You must know why and how you are bound. You find yourself bound or chained hand and foot, and all you do is complain, cry for wider scope, and even pray for freedom. But I tell you, none of those that you do can avail to alter your condition. Law is the dominating principle in the universe. And the understanding and obedience to the law is the molding and substance of life. To unbind yourself from this chain, you must begin by a thorough understanding of the great law that permeates the universe. And in the process of looking for this truth, you will find that justice, harmony, and love are supreme in the universe, and that all adverse and painful conditions are the result of a disobedience to the law. And when such knowledge is gained, you will then begin immediately to follow this law implicitly without doubts and questions. And as you harmonize with and realize this truth, you will now rise superior to all painful conditions and overcome them with an overcoming that is sure and which leaves no fear of their return. For by the power of obedience to law, they are utterly slain. Thank you.
Well, you can subscribe to my YouTube channel as more ideas will be discussed with painstaking accuracy. Thank you.